back to the vlog. Today's vlog will be a reset for 2025 vlog. So we're doing all things just resetting, preparing, cleaning, and just getting ready for the new year. It's actually New Year's Eve, so I don't have any plans. I never really have plans for New Year's Eve. Like my, I guess, yearly tradition is just cleaning, doing like vision board stuff, and then just watching the ball drop on TV for Times Square and all that stuff. But you don't have any plans, but still excited for the new year and I'm excited for 2025. I had a productive morning so far. I went to the gym this morning and then I went to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna do a haul really quick as well too. I got my favorite snack, it's like white cheddar corn puffs. I got, also these are really good. I just love popcorn, as you can tell, but movie theater popcorn. I got a kombucha. This is the trilogy. It might also look crazy, like, please excuse my nails. I'm taking these press-ons off later today, so don't mind that. But yeah, I got the kombucha trilogy. And then I always get my flowers and also get the lips for my shower. And then I also got some eggs because I was running low. Some broccoli, breaded shrimp, cucumber for my dinner tonight. Got some frozen fruit for my smoothies. I got this Atlantic salmon and then also the smoked seasoned salmon for my sandwiches. Some feta cheese, which I will also use for dinner tonight. I got this sushi that I've been seeing everywhere on TikTok. People said that's really, really good, but I want to try it. So I think I'm gonna have this for lunch. Korean tofu and vegetable steamed rice roll. So apparently you heat it up in the microwave for a bit and then that's how you eat it. I'm interested to see how this tastes. And then I got some chicken breast. I don't know if I mentioned it in any of my videos, but I was pescatarian for like 3 years and I recently went back to eating chicken. I wanted to have more of a high protein diet, so right now I'm mainly just eating chicken, but also like my seafood, like my fish and whatnot. But yeah, I got some chicken breast. And then last but not least, I got the butter chicken. I've tried their vegan one because before I wasn't eating chicken. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one out as well. But yeah, that is it for my Trader Joe's haul. The rest of my day, I'm going to open up my new journals, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to do my monthly calendar. So the one in my office, it just write out like all the things I have to write out for my week. But I'm gonna go ahead and shower and get ready for my reset. Guys, it is a couple of hours later. Right now I'm getting ready to write out my monthly planner. I pretty much do this every single month, so it doesn't feel that different from my like other months. But I want to show you guys my new journals. I feel like the best part of the new year is just getting new journals and new planners. But yeah, all of these are from Amazon. If you guys watched my video, I think 2 weeks ago, I tried finding a planner in Target, but I just didn't leave with any. So I got all these from Amazon. So here's my monthly planner. Pretty simple and basic, but I'm excited to start like this new one. And then I also got my daily devotional for the year and then also my new gratitude journal for the year. So very, very excited to start these. I'll link all these planners below if you guys are interested. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start planning for January. Guys, I just finished getting out of the shower. I shaved, I exfoliated, did my skincare. I got on my comfy matching pajama set, super cozy. I'm getting ready to do my New Year's Eve traditions that I started like 3 years ago. Also got some of my favorite snacks. I got some popcorn, some chocolate, and I have some wine. I am thriving right now. Thriving. It's currently 11 o'clock, so we have 1 more hour until midnight. I actually currently have the New Year's Eve in Times Square playing in the background, so that's going on. But part of my New Year's tradition is to journal and kind of reflect. This year has had its moments, but I feel like this is the first time to where I noticed that I was really intentional about creating joy every single day of my life. There's a lot of things going on in my family, and that caused a lot of stress on me personally, but I feel like I mostly remember the good times that I had this year because I chose to go after those things, if that makes sense. Like 2024 was the year of me really taking risks, I would say, and really trusting myself, and I guess just believing in myself and putting myself out there. I did my first solo trip this year. I started being consistent with social media, taking it seriously. So yeah, I just feel like just choosing joy and looking for the good. Obviously, not like toxic positivity, like acknowledge what you're going through, but I think also just remaining optimistic in what the year did offer, I feel like has helped me in my perspective of just like remembering all the good versus just the stressful parts of the year. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of you guys. If you made it so far to the end of 2024, that is a huge blessing and I'm so proud of you. Keep going, and yeah, I'm really excited to see what 2025 has in store. I'm gonna go ahead and start reflecting in my journal. I just use like these prompts that I found on Pinterest and whatever, but yeah. Happy New Year, Bobo! Oh, Happy New Year, Bobo! Yay! Good morning. It is the next day. It is New Year's Day, and today I wanted to get a head start on putting away my Christmas decorations. Oh my gosh, honestly, I'm gonna be so sad taking them down. Let me know in the comments if you're like this as well. But like for me, when it comes to New Year's, I don't want anything kind of reminding me of Christmas, if that makes sense. I want to start off the new year on a fresh slate and a fresh start, but it's hard for me to do that if I'm like staring at my Christmas tree. My tree reminds me of just like the holidays, cozy, which isn't bad, but I feel like with January and resetting, I need to really feel like I'm properly resetting. That means my environment looks different, and it just helps me refocus my energy for the new year. Anyway, so yeah, let me know in the comments if you are someone who takes down your decorations the first day or like the first week of January, or are you someone who waits till the end of January? Let's go ahead and start taking down my tree. Today's vision board day. I'm going to work on my 2025 vision board. I got my pictures from Preprints. Also want to share with you guys my quote or mantra of the year. If you guys haven't watched my vision board video, I definitely suggest you guys do that. I go more in detail and like step by step of how I go about my vision board. But yeah, one of the things that I mentioned in that video is that I really like to create a quote of the year and then put that like right in the middle of my vision board. My quote of the year is actually kind of corny, but I don't care. I love it. My quote of the year is, "My future is limits If you know, you know. I love this quote personally, and I feel like it just reminds me that my future is unlimited. Like, there's so many possibilities, there's so many opportunities for me to go after my dreams and really accomplish my goals and whatnot. It just reminds me to be like really in the abundance mindset and to be more optimistic when it comes to my dream life and going after my dreams and things like that. So yeah, that's the quote of the year. It's my future is unlimited. Also, for my vision board quote, I also like to put it in my, what is this called? I don't know the actual term for it, but it's like a little board. So I'm gonna change this out and put it to this new quote. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my vision board. Board is all done. I did reuse some of my pictures from my last vision board, like the salad, just like health and wellness stuff, but for the most part it's mostly the new pictures. Oh, I'm so excited for this year. I'm very optimistic. That is the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed a couple of days resetting for the new year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for another video next week. Bye.